Hi everyone, my name is Gail and I am your teacher this quarter for English 90. I'm so excited you're here and very happy to welcome you to the class. Something I want to remind you about is an important feature of our class this quarter, our required Zoom seminars that will meet every Tuesday and Thursday from 10 until 11:20. If you have a conflict with this requirement in your schedule, please get in touch with me as soon as possible so we can talk about your options. When you join the Zoom seminars, you will be able to access the Zoom link from our Canvas course website, and the seminars are intended to support your success in the class. In fact, as I've taught this class the last year or so, I've discovered that the majority of students say the Zoom seminar time is the most important factor in their success in the class. During the Zoom seminars, we get a chance to answer your questions, to help you tackle challenges you might be having a hard time with. We create a community so that you have not just your teacher, me, to help support you, but you all get to support one another as well. So the other thing I want to let you know about is, as you are getting familiar with Canvas and the way I have set up this course in Canvas, you will find that there are certain elements about how to navigate in the course that might be a little unfamiliar or a little confusing at first. But if you read all of the information on this welcome page, including listening to a second video that you'll see a little bit further down the page, that information and those instructions will really help you be successful this first week. And if you have any questions at all, if you get stuck, if you're not sure how to make something work, if you can't move on to another task, just shoot me an email. I am so happy to help. That's why I'm here. So let me know if there's anything at all I can do to make your experience a little bit easier and a little bit less stressful this first week. So I really look forward to getting to see all of you tomorrow, Tuesday, at our first Zoom session at 10 o'clock. And again, if you have any questions or need help getting to the Zoom, just send me an email and I'll do what I can to help you out. Welcome, and I look forward to working together this quarter.